Over. Bayday, Bayday. Bayday.
Miggy. Bayday, do you copy?
Yes, copy. Mayday. Over.
Copy, Bayday. Over.
That's my bay. RFBD, ready for Mayday!
Sa Sabado na yan ang Bayday! Ang baby baste, sing ka muna bago kami mag-announce ng winner.
Music maestro! I got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I got my own. I guess you'd say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, my girl, oh, my girl.
Yee! Ang sweet naman! Na si ano
Nasa shy ka na, Brad, ha? Binata na. Thank you, Baste. Okay, eto na. Malalaman na natin kung sino ating violin hero for today.
Ang magwawagi ba ay si Dominic Casacop or Mariel Gabriel? Our music hero winner for today is contestant number 1, Dominic Casacop, violin hero ng Santa Rosa, Laguna. Congratulations, Dominic. Meron kang 30,000 pesos.
Alamin naman natin kung sino ang mas naka-knockout sa ating boxing challenge.
Will it be Mocha Girl May de la Serna or EB Babe Laika Relioso? Our challenge accepted boxing winner for today is
Ding, 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 ding.
Laika Relioso! At tatanggap kayong dalawa ng gift packs mula sa Prada.
Champion na eh. Hindi pa confident. Ayun.
Congratulations!
Boxing lang naman.
Uy, Laika, lalaban ka pa sa weekly grand final sa Sabado, ha?
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng Dabber Cats na nakisalo sa atin ngayon.
Baste!
Tomorrow!
Okay, bukas. Sagot pa rin namin ang masarap na tanghalian dito lang sa Eat!
Bulaga!
Do you have the skills to play the drums?